Hotty over here, so tasty. My Easter bun, gizzard and mango. I'm gonna have one heap of something in here, so. Bus to Waterloo. I want to be on the upper deck. And glass are just dirty, so. Why them two selfish people here? Now sit one place. Now sit here. Oh, I'm gonna sit here. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going Waterloo. I'm gonna jump on my 381 bus. Yes people, I say I'm gonna go upstairs because I'm gonna get good view. Good view, you know people. When I go upstairs, guess what? One couple up there, two of them sit down in a separate seat. Before them sit together, them so selfish. Boy, may I tell you, if me they have dinner with me, no more I approach them, but me alone I approach the people them I love, because no one them beat me. So make me go to the back of the bus and just record from behind. So I got me I do. Today I'm taking the bus from Bermondsey to Waterloo. Girl, I go meet her cousin. Come on, and she's come from Jamaica. I take the bus because Dino come with the car. So girl have to take the bus. I enjoy the bus today. It's empty. So I have all the time in the world to just record, and I'm at the back, so I'm not disturbing anyone. Okay, let me flip back the camera. I won't be talking much because you guys need to see where I'm going. So that's London Bridge. That's London Bridge Underground Station. It's moving again. That's London Bridge up there. I'm gonna block it. So it's time for me to get off the bus. I'm in Waterloo now. I'm a bit early because my cousin train delay. So she just texts me to let me know. That means I'm gonna be there early. She's not gonna be there right now. But early. Girl train delay. All I'm interested right now is to get the two patty them. One for me, one for Dino. I want to go warm up a patty and eat with the corn and cheese. Hey yo. Hey you. I'm gonna flip the camera. Waterloo.
King's Reach Building.
Thank you. So I need to walk on the other side. I'm gonna walk on the other side. So, yeah, I'm gonna cross. Super Mario. Susuna over there. I'm crossing here. And then I'm gonna make my way to the train station, and that's gonna be it. So this is I'm now in Waterloo. These are the seats on our bike. Church over there. I'm gonna go over here. Yeah.
Where's she from?
Jamaica. Alright. So I have to wait here. Yeah. So here. Just recording anything I see, you know. So I think I should go here and just make my way to the train station to see my cousin. Okay, so that's the train station. What I'm gonna do? Go. to go now. Like this. So that is saying 1914, and over here is saying 1918. And this is Waterloo Train Station. I just love these historical buildings. You won't be finding them anymore because they don't make it like that anymore. You get me? So today is my day out. Let me go and see my cousin. I don't even know which entrance she's gonna come from. I came upstairs and I saw this clock. I think that is historic. I'm gonna record. And
For the 1547 service to Chesterton South.
so people, I reach at the train station, you know. And me I tell you, say me collect my goodies them, you know. I'm not showing them my cousin corner too fast. They have patty over here, so tasty. My Easter bun, gizzard and mango. And I have one heap of something in here, so nobody not come beg me nothing. I wanna not get nothing here, so that's it. Bag of goodies. Crazy. You're welcome.
Grab a card if you want to follow me. Thank you.
All right. She can sing. Girl can sing. So my cousin come and she's ready, so I need to collect my stuff and then just leave. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. It's time for me to leave Waterloo.